obviously in talks with a new client we're signing up, right? And really early on in my career, I used to be so impatient.
Yeah, it's been good. It's been good. Recently did another webinar.
Good morning. It is 11:07, Tuesday, 14th of October. It's 2 days before my birthday, so I thought I'd just let you know what I'm getting up to this week and kind of share what I do in a week that's supposed to be special. But to be honest, I don't know, I don't really get that excited about my birthday too much because it's just another day where I get 1 year older. It's just not as cool what I'm doing. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna take you with me today. Gonna get a trim, I need to fill up my car, and probably go gym. Just finished my trim. Just got a message come through, just a coach that I've been speaking to, and he said he appreciated very much what I'm doing, and I'm not just following up like every other robot pretty much on the internet, every other person out there, which is the point I go to say, please do not just use automated follow-ups. Actually speak to people, help them out, provide value. It's not even just to get them as a client, it's actually to just change people's lives, because that's what we're doing. Like, if you have a skill, you have the skill to change someone's life, do it, use it. Don't just do some automated stuff, actually try to help them. And that's what I tried to do, and yeah, it's just good to see that, because that's my main focus always. But anyways, now I'm about to head to the gym. I'm looking fresh, and yeah, bye. Cool, so I'm back now from the gym. Looking at my trim again. Should have probably got more off the top, but them new man, you can't trust them straight away. But now I'm probably just gonna have a little steak, bit of pasta, then make some content and check in with my people. All right, cut to me cutting a steak. Yep, so it's now, what's that, 11:47. Got to record earlier today, but nah, today was pretty good. What I've just been doing is, first of all, so as you can see here's the master webinar flow. Basically this entire flow we use for our virtual live event launches, and I was also building out a new landing page as well for a digital product. That's pretty much what I did today. 2 days till my birthday. 1 day now in likes. 1 day in like 12 minutes. Crazy. 19. Yeah, that's what I'm up to. That was my day. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning. It is Wednesday, 15th of October. I'll probably look a little less homeless today. But today, what I'm going to be doing is first I'm going to get into some editing, a reel I made last night. Then after that, just going to do some more work. Then I'm going to have a onboarding call. And after that, I'm just chilling. So yeah, show you guys through my Wednesdays. Just about to post my reel, as you can see here. Little hope quarter-ish. Just finished making the content, as you saw there. I'm gonna post that reel now. Tried to do 1 reel a day. Try to do 12 weeks of consistency. So 12 YouTube videos across 12 weeks and a reel a day. And then once I achieve that, I'm gonna step up even more and try and
to post like long forms more consistently and maybe even twice a week with that. Probably about to head to the gym now, get a quick workout in, then see my girlfriend and do some work, and that's about it. Peace.
Hey man. Yeah, it's been good. It's been good. Recently did another webinar. Like I mentioned to you on WhatsApp, what we'll do to get everything squared away is obviously I'll send the contract over to you now. This is the entire flow we usually go through. Earliest we can do it is 2 weeks, but would you want to delay it till after that? I thought you would, yeah. But yeah, so then the email or SMS platform, we usually use Kit for just emails mainly. Okay, cool, yeah. So you can have duplicate it and then just fill it out. Takes about 30 minutes to an hour. It is in depth because we like to make sure we're doing it. What we'll do is I'll send across the scripts for 10 hooks, 5 bodies, 2 call to actions. And then for people who, what we'll also do is we retarget them, we call it the hammer them strategy. So in that approved videos and images section, it will also be content that's on your page already. And they'll see that, start to see more of you, start to know like and trust more of you. That by the time they get to the webinar, they're like really excited, they like know who you are. But it's like we're replicating the organic process. It's actually, it's quite insane, but it's like replicating the organic process. So yeah, really good strategy there. Woo!
Yo, my people them. 16th of October, 2025, is it? It is. It is my birthday. I am now officially 19, and what a day. I guess it's still a day before, but that's the day of. What a day. Rev share and deposit. Then after that, I had a good time with Casey, and we did like a murder mystery thing. That was pretty cool. Yeah, just living. Pretty good day. If you took me around the world, I was a baller back in the day, man. Let's not get into that though. But Wednesday, still a good day, man. Alright, see you soon. Birthday, Thursday. Got some biscuits. What am I doing today? Probably gonna just do a bit of work, even though it's my birthday. I'm gonna go get a new phone because I think it's time I upgrade. I've been clutching onto one that's just crack, man. I need to upgrade big time. But yeah, no, I'll take it with me through my day. Bye. Got upgrade.
To what?
iPhone 16.
From what?
Android. No. Next question. Really good shot. That's getting clipped. Read it then. Place your bet. Place your bet. Who's it? No. You're wrong. Wait, come on then. You lying?
He said that the delivery guy came into.
Yo guys, Wednesday, no it's not, Friday, 17th of October, day after my birthday now. Had a good day yesterday, just chilling. My cousin actually had a wedding, so I was going to that as well. Just showed up and obviously just got to show your face and let them know you're there for them, you know, celebrating their marriage as well. Kind of a weird thing to get someone else's marriage on your birthday, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And this was something that I really want to share with you as well. So obviously in talks with a new client we're signing up, right? And really early on in my career, I used to be so impatient, So impatient. But in a bad way. I'm better at type of patience now. So what it was like is, back at the start of my career, what happened is, if someone didn't get back to me, you start to get that nervy feeling, not nervy feeling, but that sense of desperation, because you really need the deal, really want the deal, whatever. Completely understand that. And everyone starts out like that. But later on, I started to get into a state of patience in terms of the outputs. The inputs, I'm very impatient on. Do them today. If you have control over it, do it as soon as you can. Do it today. The outputs, you need patience for, because you don't have direct control over that. It's purely up to the universe, to an extent. It's your inputs that could dictate the outputs, but you have to be aggressive with the inputs and patient with the outputs. Now, when I had a discussion with this client and everything was agreed, I was supposed to hear back from him that same day, but I didn't. And over the couple of days I didn't. He got back to me today and obviously explained the situation with me and things were going on and stuff like that, which is completely fine. And that's my point. If I was desperate and really needed the deal and just really, really pushy and just annoying, you would lose them type of deals. But instead, because I was patient, again, followed up with value. Just really actually caring about the guy. Like, genuinely checking in, see if he's okay, see if everything's all right. And just discussing about what you guys can make happen. Instead of being like, bro, when are you going to do this? When are you going to do that? You're going to give me money, whatever. Don't do that. Be patient. Because that's what gets people to want to respond to you and want to work with you. If people ghost you, continue to provide value and follow up. And eventually, you'll give them so much value they feel obliged to even just give you a response. Never stop following up, and always assume there's something you don't know. Especially if someone's had a change in behaviour. Assume there's something they don't know, or there's a question there's a question in their head that they haven't answered. Answer it for them, and that will get deals over the line, not you begging for it and pushing for it. All right, let's see to tomorrow, where I'm going to cut to me bowling and what I'm eating that day. Then on Sunday, I'm just going to have a little meal with my friend. But so far, it's been a pretty good week. It's been emotional. And I always say, I'm such an emotional person, but my actions are not. So I'm consistent with what I do every single day, even though I'm up here, down there, up here, down there. Because that's how everyone is. You're going to sometimes feel shit. Sometimes you're going to feel great. Either way, you do the same shit. Do it every single day. What you need to do to get done to move the needle forward. This is what you see me do. I'm doing a YouTube video once a week and I'm posting once a day. At least. I could definitely do more, but I want to get consistent with that first. That was just my quick tip for you guys. Don't get pushy. Speak soon. Bye. Morning, everyone. My throat sounds a bit raspy. But today is the day. Going doing a bit of bowling and then having a meal. Obviously, I'll take you with me for that because I'm going to smoke everyone at bowling. My whole family. I'm actually low-key different at bowling, but anyways, I'm going to take you with me and show you what we're getting up to. Yesterday, I just did some more work editing this video, actually. So I'm editing this video that you're watching now, and that was about it, really. Went gym. Pretty, average day, but today we're celebrating my birthday from Thursday today, because on Thursday it was also one of my family's weddings, so it wasn't really time to do anything else, so yeah, take it with me. See you soon. Bye.
Not a strike.
What is it? Flip that one.
Yeah, so this is why we are sticking to business on this channel. No more bowling from me, just back to scaling some businesses. Yeah.
My
Day in the life of Carl Gregory.
week in the life.
So, how's your meal been? What did you eat?
Duck. So, just got back from chilling with my boy. Got a little Subway, just chilling. catching up with him. Now I'm heading home, about to go watch the United game. That's about it, and then that is pretty much my entire week as a 19-year-old business owner. Getting through it, exploring, doing shit, see what we can do, and hopefully you guys have enjoyed it so far, and let's just see what I get up to. Like, this is probably one of the more exciting weeks of my life. Usually I'm just inside my room working, obviously making progress, delivering, making sure my clients are actually making way more money than they pay me.
And that is the end of my week. It is now 11:41, 19th of October, Sunday, and that was my entire week. Had fun. Went bowling, got smoked. Got smoked. After that, spent time with my friends, and now I've got an illness. Went to David Lloyd's, spa, paddle. Great week to be alive. But it was it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some high from them little clips. And yeah, I'll take you through with me to next week. I'm going to London, spend more time for my birthday. I'll let you know what's up. Alright.